This comes in a 2-pack. They do sell these by themselves as well, but I've been kind of eyeing these along with a few others online, and I decided to pick these up. What's up, guys? All right, so I got a couple radios here that I had kind of around me right now. The left one here on my left is the TTX300, and then on my right here is the Flysky GT5. Now, these are both some pretty decent overall radios in my opinion. Of course, this one's going to be more of the RTR side. This is going to be, I would say, maybe more the intermediate level. I wouldn't say this is advanced, and this is definitely not beginner either, but it's kind of right in the smack dab in the middle of the spectrum in my opinion. Of course, in this case, the RTR side, this is, well, it's a fairly decent remote. You guys know that I have my issues here with the wheel, the placement, the size, and especially the foam here. This one is not bad at all. The wheel is much nicer, the foam is nicer as well, but then you can see that it just kind of has that loose feeling on the foam. And this here, the foam is kind of very dense. It doesn't really grip very well. And as you can see here, it just slides all over the place, and two slides into the center towards the actual body of the radio as well. So in order to rectify that, I picked up well, this is basically called RC hand wheel sponge. This comes in a 2-pack. They do sell these by themselves as well, but I've been kind of eyeing these along with a few others online, and I decided to pick these up just because it came in a 2-pack. But it literally just comes just like this. There isn't really any fluff or any fancy packaging or anything like that. You just get in, you know, a little Ziploc baggie basically. But let's go ahead and bust these open and check them out real quick. So as you can see here, it does come in kind of a duotone color. So it is red on the inside and then black on the outer kind of diameter area. It does have a little bit of a crease to it, so hopefully that kind of goes away with you know, being actually installed and stretched out. So yeah, hopefully that goes away. But other than that, the actual fabric of the, I guess the foam fibers, feels really good. It actually feels similar to this, the GT5, which I do like. Of course, this one, of course, like I said before, it's almost like a cork type of feel to it. It doesn't really feel spongy at all, not like this or this as well. So let's just cut right into the chase. I'm just gonna put one of these on each of these radios here and just basically a feel for them. So really not much to it. All you do is just stretch them over the outer ring, and they'll pull right out with some finesse and some body English. They'll come right out just like that. Do want to save these, so I'm trying not to rip them or stretch them out too much. This, of course, was a lot looser. As you can see here, it just kind of popped right off real quick. And then let's go ahead and install these. So I'm gonna, you see those creases there, I'm gonna install those towards the inside. Just hopefully they'll be a little bit less noticeable. Real quick though, you're gonna see that the diameter on these new ones is quite a bit smaller, so that should provide some extra grip on the wheel itself and keep it from moving around. So all right, and you're basically just trying to straighten it out as much as possible without having, you know, too many waves or warps or anything like that. And you can see that this has a really nice fit on this wheel, at least. Very flat kind of design. It isn't arched or kind of rounded off like the Tactic was, and it feels really nice and secure. It's not moving. You know, I can push this towards the body of the radio and it's not going anywhere. Let's go ahead and install this on the Tactic real quick. And I'll probably straighten that out a little bit more, but oh yeah, that is feeling really good. Really good compared to the older one there. You can see it there. Not sure if you can make that out on camera, but this does have a much softer kind of feel. And then, like I said, the foam is a lot less dense, so it's more of a padded feel, and you get a really nice grip on that wheel there. It is a little bit thicker than the stock for the TTX TTX300, the Tactic, but it doesn't make it like overly large or anything like that. But I would say that is a really nice improvement on both of these radios. Yeah, that's feeling really good. So yeah, I mean, really can't say too much about it. I do like that duotone red on here, especially with the red emblem here. It does kind of have a factory look to it. Definitely matches the overall color scheme on the radio itself. So yeah, I mean, as far as if I recommend it, definitely do. Yeah, I mean, for the price, you can't beat it. Yeah, I purchased both of these online for about $6 for the pair. I believe you can get them for about like $3.50 if you just want to buy one. But yeah, I'm gonna call this 2 thumbs up for me. Yeah, like I said, it's just called RC Handwheel Sponge. It does have a model on here, so that's X001W1G2U9. Again, little basic plastic baggie, cut down on the costs to you, the user, and yeah, quality product in my opinion, and a great upgrade for your radio system. If you're not satisfied with the stock foam on your radios, dude, definitely pick this up and pop them on nice and easy, just like I just showed you. And yeah, I am loving that. I actually have a second Tactic right here below the workbench. Let me pop that out really quick. All right, so there's stock versus the new one here. And yeah, like I said, this almost makes you want to grab it like more inward, and then of course your fingers are jamming up against that body. This, it's more than comfortable, you know. Yeah, this just does not feel right now that I've got a feel for this. This just does not feel right at all. So there it is, guys. Definitely recommend this. All right, guys, and that's gonna sum up this video for the day. If you liked this video and you found this interesting and helpful, go and hit that like button. Go and comment below if you have any comments or questions. I'll do my best to get to them and comment back as soon as I can. If you're not already, please hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. I'm trying to get that subscription number up as much as I can, and just keep continuing making great content for you guys. All right, see you guys next time.